It's family time! God has instituted a family. Well, for today's video, we have a day off. Like, of course, the government gave us the opportunity to spend time with the family, so we're so thankful with that. So before we have our family time, we also bumped into a beautiful couple, Ate Ruth and Kuya Gary, and then after which we went home. Then we spent time with our kids. We did the biking. It was with, we were having the biking together with Ate Jessa and Ate Eve, with Lindy, yung mga neighbors namin. And then, ang pinaka-paborito naming place, especially ng mga bata, ay papunta doon sa Palayan. It's always a principle that we follow na yung family time does not need to be very grand. It does not need to be very expensive. Most of the time, nasa bahay lang kami, and when God gives us opportunity and the provision, we also get out with some family friends, and we also visit home to spend time with our family. And I believe that it is God's design that every family will be strengthened and be focused in the will of the Lord. Every family will be protected, and at the same time will be centered in their relationship, right relationship to Christ. I pray that the Lord will continue to bless your family too. I believe that. Also, I know na ang bawat pamilya ay unique, merong iba't ibang mga challenges, may mga iba't ibang pinagdadaanan, but let's continue to be strong in the Lord, continue to pray. As always, wala naman talagang perfect na family, pero merong family na si Jesus talaga ang center. Yun actually ang I think kailangan nating i-achieve. May this simple video give you an encouragement to really pray for every family, including your own family also, to really be centered in the Lord. And I hope that we will do that together. We're committed to really pray and help our family to be Christ-centered. God bless you, everyone. Thank you. To God be the glory.